All aboard the tech news, games, and deals caboose, Tech News. Samsung releases an endurance micro SD card lineup. The 128GB version features 43,800 hours or 5 years of full HD continuous recording, targeting video monitoring tasks like security or dash cams. The cards also feature four-proof protection and up to 100MB read speeds, with pricing ranging from $25 to $90. Team Group releases RGB SSD with 5:3 color coverage and magnificent version motherboard syncing support. The SSD comes in 16.8 million colors or black and white shells, ranging from 250GB to 1TB, with read speeds up to 560MB per second. Games.TERA meets Attack on Titan anime with giant monster hunting event and cool new skins or consumables, because everyone needs more Mikasa and Levi. Plus, costumes feature special emotes. Unity 2018.1 released featuring new scriptable render pipeline, giving developers more control over GPUs with simplified C++ digestion. Plus, high-definition render pipelines for AAA titles were introduced, as well as a lightweight performance version. The second big highlight, C-number job system and ECS enables more simplified multi-core processor integration for more effects. Juicy Realm launches sentient fruit you must fight. Shoot all kinds of enemy plants and bosses to regain your spot in the food chain. Find treasures and special weapons to plant the plants back in the ground. Explore random zones solo or in multiplayer and expand your camp. They Are Billions is 25% off. Strategize in survival mode with only 4,612 people alive left in this world versus billions of infected. Experience 20,000 units in real time, construct your buildings or army, and try to build one of the 6 wonders in the new update, or get ready for the future game mode campaign. Deals. Amazon has the Samsung 64GB SD card for those who don't need 5 years of crazy endurance. Newegg has the Asus 24inch 1080p IPS monitor for $90 after rebate. Enjoy less painful blue light. Original News Source is an affiliate. Where to buy purchase links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like or subscribe. Hopefully, RGB micro SD card becomes the next big thing.